This is Andrew Pereira here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, and Sam Howell's behind the camera here. Today we're going to feature a Leisure Travel 2021 24 corner bed. This is a beautiful coach. The pre-owner upgraded the wheels there, so they have the Alcoa wheels there, the aluminum wheels, and the paint job still in vibrant color. They use 3 coats of different color paint followed by 2 coats of clear, so you're going to have deep rich color throughout the whole life of the coach. Here, the one thing about a corner bed model is that you have this extra storage space here that's on the corner bed only. And in the rear, this model comes with a backup camera. You have your ladder for roof inspection here, and let's go. There's so much to talk about. We better move. So the Truma AquaGo water heater, and this unit is on model is on a Mercedes chassis, so it's going to have best of the Mercedes has to offer. You have the plush seating here. They use great foam in between the padding to offer a comfortable. This is a U-shaped dinette set. Turn around here. We have so much space here. They utilize everything. Here's a nice over the head storage here. You can put blankets, whatever you like. More storage here. We have the control panel, storage underneath. You have a 2-burner Dometic burner set here, storage on top, and then you have your stainless steel tub, nice full faucet here, and then this fridge and freezer. Look, check this out, both sides. So whoever gets there first gets to open that side. Yeah, both sides of the Dometic fridge. We have cabinetry all along here, high point microwave, and then the bathroom, nice and plush. You have a full-size shower, stainless steel accent with a hand wand that you can put your feature, and then the corner bed, nice and comfortable, ready to go anytime you want to take a nap, you want to lay down, you want to read a book, lazy Sundays, and then the TV, so you can watch some football on Sunday if you're lazy. But anyway, they utilize space here. This is a good place for, let me get this open here. It's locked here. So anyway, sorry about that, but yeah, turned it the wrong way. So you can put cans and all kinds of food here, and this is a representation of the plush. So if you have any questions, please call Andrew Pereira or Sam Howell at Johnson RV, and we'd love to answer any questions you have. We'd love to show you this beauty in person.